Does modern dental technology actually make treatment better, or is it just marketing? Patients ask questions like, is a 3D dental scan safe? Are digital dental scans more accurate? And does sedation dentistry actually make treatment easier? I'm Dr. Ben Hiener with Shady Spring Dental Care, and today we're going to break down some of the most common myths about modern dental technology. One question we hear when recommending a 3D scan: are 3D dental scans actually safe, or do they expose you to too much radiation? 3D dental scans are actually safe. They expose patients to far less radiation than years past. They are very minimal. Standing in front of the microwave is more radiation than our 3D dental scans. Listen up! If you've ever had traditional gooey dental impressions, are digital dental scans actually more accurate than traditional molds? Dental scans are much more accurate than gooey dental impressions. Gooey dental impressions allow for user error and inaccuracies in material expansion and contraction. Some patients assume this about dental technology. Is modern dental technology just marketing? Modern dental technology, in my opinion, is not marketing. It is the best way to provide dental care to our patients. It's the most accurate, it's the fastest, and the most comfortable treatment we can provide. This is a big misconception about sedation dentistry. Does sedation dentistry mean you're completely unconscious? Actually, you're not unconscious. You are breathing and perspiring on your own. You can answer questions, you can let us know if you're in pain, but you have no memory of your treatment. If you've had those old school dental molds, are digital impressions more comfortable than traditional impressions? Yes, digital impressions are much more comfortable than traditional impressions. The scan is basically a camera. It's taking pictures of your teeth. Traditional impressions are ooey and gooey. This is a safety question we hear from patients all the time. Are dental x-rays actually safe? Yes, dental x-rays are safe. They are low radiation and focused radiation. We are finding x-rays are much more safe than we thought in the past. When people hear about digital dentistry, this is something they always ask. Does dental technology actually make treatment faster? Dental technology does make treatment faster. We can design things in minutes and use AI to get the smile you desire much faster versus sending things in the mail, analog ways, and risk of treatment being fractured or damaged. When we recommend advanced imaging, people sometimes wonder why. Why do dentists recommend 3D scans? We recommend 3D scans because there is a lot of information that is missed in traditional x-rays. 3D scans show all ends of the roots, anatomy, and variances that a two-dimensional x-ray shows. One major misconception about dental technology: can technology replace a dentist's skill? Technology is a very helpful adjunct to a dentist's skill, but someone still has to run the equipment and know how to use it, so a dentist is still needed. When patients think about dentures or removable appliances, can digital dentistry and 3D printing make dentures faster? Yes, digital dentistry and 3D printing can make the dentures much faster. We can complete treatment in fewer appointments and shorter time between appointments.